Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Poco C75. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now you have to click open, then click agree and continue. Then you have to close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Now you have to click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.